Hi guys, today we will do math activity.
Write the numbers that come before and after the given number. Okay, this is a before number. Okay, 19 before?
18.
Yeah, 18. Write down please. Write here. This side, right here. Don't say. Aashi, don't do 18. 19 before 18. Right, 18. Complete 18. You will be complete. Okay. And 37 before?
36.
Yeah, 36. Very good, Aashi.
36.
Excellent. No, again you write please.
Mommy,
Yeah.
this
You
is
write 36.
this alone very good.
Yeah, 36 you write please. 36. Excellent. And 25 before?
24.
Yeah, 24. Excellent, Aashi. You write please 24.
What's going on?
24. And 10 before?
25.
10 before? 10 before?
I like reading.
Okay. 10 before?
10 before, 10 before, 10 before, 11.
No. 10.
9.
9. Yeah. Excellent, Aashi. 9. Good job. And
Thank you.
14 before? 40. 40 before?
39.
Yeah. 13.
39.
Show me. Very good, Aashi. Very good. And 38 before? 38 before?
मम्मा चाहिए ये बोला.
Yeah, very beautiful. 38 before? Tell me, baby. 38 before?
38
before.
before
38 before?
37.
Yeah, 37. Excellent, Aashi. You write down, please. 37.
37.
Good job, Aashi. Okay. And now, after. Okay? 22 after.
23.
22 after?
23.
Yeah, 23. Write down, baby. 23. 23, write down. 23.
23.
3. Very good. And 42 after? Look here. 42 after?
42 after 44.
No, 42 after.
42 after 43.
Yeah, 43. Yeah, right, please. 43.
40.
42 after 43. Yeah, right, please.
This is aunt like?
Yeah. Please write 43.
This is like
43, right, please.
40.
43. Yeah, very good. 17 after?
18.
Yeah. Right, please.
Yeah?
Yeah.
1.
Very good. 17 after 18. And 33 after?
34.
Yeah, 34. Right, please.
34.
Yeah. Very good. And 28 after?
I'll finish हो जाइए बोला.
Yeah. 28 after?
29.
Yeah. 29. Right, please.
20.
Yeah. Very good. And 14 after?
15.
Okay. You write, please. 15. Good job, Aashi. And next, identify the pattern and write the missing number. Okay, missing. 1, 2. Next, missing
3.
number.
3.
Yeah. Write, please. Complete pattern. Next.
4.
Yeah. Yeah. Next, please. Next number.
5.
Yeah. Next. Next.
7.
Yeah.
8. 9.
Yeah.
10.
Yeah. This is your complete the pattern. Okay. And then next pattern 11, 12. Next number
Within the
11, 12. Next number.
Yeah. On the pajaya.
Okay. 11, 12. Next number.
13.
Yeah. Complete this pattern. 13. Okay.
14.
Yeah.
15. 15.
Yeah.
16.
Yeah.
17.
Yeah.
18.
Yeah.
19.
19.
20.
Very good. 20. Okay. 21, 22. Next.
23.
Yeah. 23. Right, please. Complete the pattern.
23.
Yeah. Yeah. Next.
20.
20. 23.
4.
24. Yeah. Next.
25.
Yeah. 25. Right, please.
25.
Yeah. Next.
अभी कंप्लीट वाला है
Yeah.
4 only.
Next. 20.
7.
24, 25, 26.
6.
Yeah. Next. Next number.
47.
26.
27.
Yeah. 27. Next.
27.
Yeah. Next.
28.
Yeah. Yeah. Next.
सबको नहीं आता ये.
Yeah. Next. 28. Next.
29.
Yeah. 29.
29.
And next.
30.
Yeah. 30. Complete this pattern. 31, 32. Next number.
33.
Yeah. 33. Write down, please.
30. Wow. Oh. 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 Oh.
33.
34.
Right. 33, baby. You write, please. 33.
30.
Yeah.
3.
33. 3. You write 33. Yeah. Next number.
30.
34. 4. Yeah. 34.
34.
Yeah. 34.
34.
Yeah. Next. 30. 35. 35. 36. Yeah. 37. Yeah. 38. Yeah. 39. And next. Very good, Aashi. Excellent, Aashi. Okay. Aashi, cross out the circle with the greatest number on each air vehicle. Which one greatest number? 25, 35, 15. Tell me. 25, 35, 15. Which one greatest number? Tell me. Tell me, baby. Which one greatest number?
This.
25, 35, 15.
15.
No.
This. 35.
Yeah, 35. Which one greatest number?
35.
Yeah, cross out.
Cross out.
Yeah. And next. 34, 17, 21. Which one greatest number? Yeah, 34. Cross out. Very good. Okay, next 14, 45, 31. Which one greatest number? 14, 45, 31. Which one greatest number?
45.
Yeah, 45. Cross out. Cross out, please. Excellent, Aashi. Okay, next. Which one greatest number? 13, 33, 24.
Yeah. Cross out.
Yeah, 33, 20, 33. Cross out. Very good. Next. Which one greatest number? 19, 13, 27.
27.
Yeah. Cross out. Excellent, Aashi. Now 12, 23, 29. Which one greatest number?
29.
Yeah, 29. Good job, Aashi. Find the smallest and the greatest number in a set of numbers. Which one is smallest number? 9 or 7?
9.
Look here, 9 and 7. Which one
Nine
is smallest number?
7.
Yeah, 7. Write down, please.
7.
Next. Yeah. Next, 3 and 6. Which one greatest number? 3 and 6?
6.
Yeah, 6. Write down. Excellent, Aashi. Next, 12 and 17. Which one is smallest number?
This?
12 and 17. Which one greatest number? Smallest number, sorry. Smallest number?
Yes.
Yeah, 12. Write down 12.
12.
Very good, Aashi. And greatest number? 13 and 15. Which one greatest number?
15.
Yeah, 15. So smart, Aashi. You are so smart. 15. Excellent. And now smallest number. Okay, 21, 25. Which one is smallest number? Tell me first. Smallest number 21, 25.
Yeah.
Yeah, 21. Right. Greatest number, baby. Which one greatest number? 29, 22? Yeah, 29. Right. Very good, Aashi. 29. Complete this 29. Yes. And next 30, 39. Smallest number. Which one is smallest number? 30, 39? Yeah, 30. Right, please. Very good. And next 33, 35. Which one greatest number?
35.
Yeah. Excellent, Aashi.
5.
Excellent. Tick the things that are full and cross out those that are empty. Okay.
Empty.
Which one full? Which one empty? What is this? Full or empty?
Full.
Full. Yeah. So full. You tick the full. And this is a empty. Empty, cross out. Cross out, empty. Yeah. And which one full? Which one empty? This one?
Full.
Yeah. Tick the full. And empty, cross out. Yeah. And which one empty? Which one full?
Full.
Yeah, full. Full. Tick the full. And which one empty? Yeah, cross out. Very good. Excellent, Aashi.
Bye, guys.